What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So a lot of people are asking me, about Farmcoin. I had a couple of people say something about it in my comment section, and also in the streams, really to get into what's going on with this coin because I do have a strong belief in where this is going to go eventually, right? So, with that being said, I needed to break down exactly what my thoughts are because Harvest Finance did come back and, it fell down to a level of about $120, and we will get into all the detail there. But what's my mindset going into this? Am I going to buy more? Am I selling some? Do I still hold the amount that I was holding, which was 27? Um, what was the deal there, right? From the pullback from the level of, I believe it was like 250 or something like that, 300, all the way down to the level of 120. What was my idea? What was my process? What was my mindset going through it? And where was I going to take this, right? So guys, before I get started into Harvest Finance, I know there's a lot of people that are interested in this. If you can, hit the like button because these videos don't tend to do as well as some of my other content. So if you guys want me to continue to cover this stuff, I'll still have it. But to continue to cover it, you got to hit that like button and also comment down below and let other people know what's going on with this. Also, if you guys want to join the Discord group, the link is in the description. You just join the Patreon. You can join any level. There's a lot of videos that are on the Patreon as well. So if you want to join up there, please do so. And if you want to be a part of it over on Twitch, please do that. But let's go ahead and dive into this. Right now, we're looking at Harvest Finance here, and we can see that it's at $133.85. It's up about 4% today. Now, after seeing a pretty decent decrease for the last couple of days, it's great to see this up today. Obviously, if we look at it in the past week, it's not going to be up. It's down 14%. You look at it in the past month, it's down 26%. In the past year, it's up 15%, right? So this is one of those positions where people are like, oh, okay, it's only up 15% over the past year. Is that even a lot? Are you expecting to see something really big? Well, the idea is that I am expecting to see something really big. You can see here that it kind of repeats history. It goes from $80 all the way up to 400, decreases down to about 50, goes up to 400, decreases down to a level of 123. And I think we're going to see this make a move, and it's probably going to be a pattern to where it decreases to a level that's reasonable after a larger increase, because you could see this increase up to 410, then it goes up to 430 or almost 440, and then it decreases down to 120. Now, do I think the decreasing is over? I hope that it's not, because I want to hold more. I would love to be able to make that move in here at $40. That would have been phenomenal. So if it can get down to $40, I'm shooting for that. However, I don't believe it's going to come down that far. I would love to see that. I would say if it's not going to get to 40, under 100 would be my bet, just to see it hit 100, bounce off of that level, and then start to skyrocket from there. And we'll see altcoin season go. So I think once we start seeing altcoin season run, we're going to see a lot of people realize that this is a great position to get into and ride the wave on up before it does end up making a move back down. Now, I'm going to show you the potential in this video because I did that in my other video. I'm going to show you what I think about it. But if we're looking at the day, we can say that yesterday was a great buying opportunity. 120 was a great buying opportunity. If you were looking for a quick gain, you would have gotten that. If you're looking for a swing trade in the crypto market, you would find this, and this can go up to 200, 300. It can go up to a higher price, and you could find a decent swing trade and get out of the position with 100% gain, basically. But the long term, or I guess not long term, it could be less than a year. It could also be a year. We're going to see this push up to higher and higher figures just based on the fact that we have the high circulating supply. And once you gain the popularity, that's where things start to run. So again, you look at this, market cap is at 85 million. That's nothing compared to a lot of market caps out there. I would love to see this in the billions. And if we could see this in the billions, obviously, that price goes a lot higher, because just looking at it currently, let's say it's at 150 and that's a $100 million market cap. A $100 million market cap, you 10x that to get to a billion. And you're basically saying that this $200 is going to be 10x. So you're going to see that at $2,000, right? That's what we're saying here. We're going to see a large jump from $100 to $1,000 or $100 to $2,000 because we're looking for this standard price. And $1 billion market cap sounds like a lot to most people. However, look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin's at $1 trillion. That is $999 million, right? Or $999 billion. That's what we're looking for, is only 1% of that. 1% of that area, 1% of that growth. And we'll see massive gains here. A lot of people will see massive gains. Whether you had 100 or you had 1,000, a bunch of people will see massive gains. This is why I'm so bullish on this position, because once it does play out, things get pretty ridiculous with the price movements, right? So you can see here that the circulating supply is the thing that drives it all. Seeing 638,000 circulating supply is something that really drives this position. So I really want to make a solid move in here, hopefully with about $10,000 worth. I have right now about $4,000 in here. I would love to have $10,000, preferably at a lower cost basis. Right now, my cost basis is around 200, so it's less than where it was at, and I could currently buy more if I actually had free cash to buy more right now. But if it goes down to a level to where it's at $50, I'm liquidating other positions in order to get into this position. So this is something I'm extremely bullish on, and no way is this financial advice. It's merely just my opinion, because a lot of crypto is speculation based on the popularity. So if we don't see the popularity run, we're not going to see this run at all. We do have 7 days of typical hold time. So people typically hold it for 7 days, probably see an increase and decrease, or and pull out of the position, which the price then decreases depending how much they were holding, which you don't have to hold much. Just imagine if you're holding 1,000, you hold a large portion of Farmcoin, and you can influence the price just by selling that position. And that's just with 1,000 coins, because there's only 638,000 out there. So all in all, I'm into where this position is going to go. Now, let me show you exactly what I'm holding, because people are asking, hey, did you sell your Farmcoin? Even though I don't know why they would ask that, because I show my positions pretty much every day. But no, I have 30 Farmcoin. And again, my cost basis is around $200. So it might actually even be less than that. I don't know my exact cost basis, but it's around $200. I think it's like 170. So it's closer to where it is than what I said, but I think it's around 170 because I initially bought in 5 up in like the 250 range. Bought in a lot at 150. But we can work out that cost basis, but let's say it's around 270. I didn't buy any more down here at the 120. Did I say 270? 170? It's 170. But yeah, I didn't buy any more down in the $120, $130 range because I don't have any free cash right now. If I did have some free cash, I would definitely go in there. Typically, I take a lot of money from one source of income and I'll put it into cryptocurrency or investing and in general, but haven't got a chance to do that. So that is my position. Currently hold 30, looking for that to blow. If that gets to $2,000, right, I'll see $60,000 that I have in that alone. And will I pull out everything if it gets to $60,000? No, I won't. I'll pull out probably $20,000 and leave the rest in there. That's my mindset. Or, I'll pull out maybe half. It could be, I could pull out $20,000, maybe $25,000, and then leave the rest in there and let that grow. Because with those maybe 10 or 15 farm coin that you do have in there, that can grow to a crazy rate. And also, I can take that if it does pull back to a level and repeat history, I can put it back in at some of the lows of $100 and basically get 150 coins at that point, and then watch that grow and then repeat the process over and over again, because that seems like that's what it's going to be. So anyways, that's my opinion of Farmcoin. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I do like the position. I don't see much news on it. So there's not a lot of popularity with it, but eventually that popularity will grow, which makes a lot of crypto make a move as well. So when we see altcoin season run, this is going to be one of those that runs, but it's probably going to be a delayed reaction. You're going to see a lot of people that see how much this can move with such little investment, basically. And then you're going to see this make a move. So anyways, hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. If you guys are interested in more of this content and any other coins, and you really want me to review some other coins, news wise, maybe use case as well. Also getting into the circulating supply and potential. I can definitely do that. But before we actually get we end here, I did say that I was going to go through potential with you guys. I'm sorry if I didn't. I just forgot. But you can see here, I build a spreadsheet all the time. And if you want me to build this for any other coin, please let me know. But basically, I go through the amount that's there, which is 300 or 638,000 coins that are available right now. So where's the potential? Where can this go? Currently, this is at 130, and you're going to see $82 million market cap, right? Now we're looking at something simple. We're looking for a $1 billion market cap. That gets us to about $2,000. $1 billion market cap. That's 10% of what Bitcoin is at, right? That is, very low, a very low percentage of a lot of the coins. This is considered the low of the low when it comes to the average popular coin. So when this gains popularity, you will see this price skyrocket, not only to $10,000, not only to $2,000, but maybe to $10,000, maybe even to $50,000, depending what the market cap can get to. The market cap, a reasonable market cap, is anything less than $100 billion. So anything less than $100 billion, let's say I have $150,000 per coin. That is a $95 billion market cap. That's how you can apply this, right? I know that the more coins, the easier it is to get to those levels because the less influence it is by a certain price or by a certain pullback or, sell or whatever. But it definitely can be possible if more and more people are holding rather than, just letting go of it. But you will see violent moves with less circulating supply. So just be aware of that. Anyways, guys, make sure you hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out all of my other channels across YouTube, as well as, checking out my Twitch and everything that I have in the description below. But I'm going to get out of here, and I will catch you guys in the next